Hello everyone, and thanks for watching the video. Today we're working on the 1985 Toyota Pickup. This is a two-wheel drive. This is the 2.4 liter 22R engine long bed truck, and I've got a problem with the handle on the tailgate, the handle lock, so we're going to try to replace that today. Just got a new one in. Let's go take a look at the new one and kind of what's happening. So the bed liner covering the tailgate has been lost, and I just can't find it. It was lost many years ago. Thought I knew where it was at, but looked over and over for it, and it looks like it's history. So if you know, you'll need to be able to access the handle lock from the inside, you know, of the tailgate here. So you probably have to remove that. If you do have that, there's a couple of service panels here. I've lost those as well. Probably don't need to remove those, but the situation here is, see, my lock is handles, not doing anything because this part of it here is completely removed and broken. So here's the linkage that connects to the actual locks on each side, and this one has some movement. I don't think it's unlocking. This one is really hard right here. What I've been doing is getting like vice grips, and once that side is unlocked, you just pull here. And everything else is good. So we've got tailgates stay here on each side. Need to lube them up, kind of rusty as you see. Here's the striker on each side, held on by 2 bolts. Here's the actual lock on this side. Again, 2 bolts for that. And here's how you control those right here again with the links. This side looks even better here. So that's kind of how it's set up. Got my 10mm socket for these 2 bolts. What I want to do before taking them out though is this plastic piece. I used some liquid nail on this, so I'm going to have to remove that first. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, probably off camera. Just break it off. I'll get right back. Fall right through, and I take this one out. There it goes. Okay, so the new one, this rubber gasket is in place now. It just clips on. See those tabs there? Just push it over those. And from the bottom, stick it through the hole. Just move these out of the way. Match up the bolt holes. Okay, I'm just going to grab one of my My bolts over here. Alright, so I'm not going to tighten it all the way yet. The reason is I got to put this link in. It's a lock link. I have to put it in the hole first. How are we going to do this? Yeah, that's what we're going to do. So we're going to push it in the hole. I may have to straighten this out as well. Push it down like that and then bring this over. Sorry for the camera work there. Yeah, I need to probably bend this down a little bit. I don't want to break those because that's kind of what started the whole thing. One of these broke. But yeah, so just this one may be better for an example. Push it in the hole. There we go. That's how it's supposed to work right there. This one's kind of raised up, so I'm going to bend this a little bit and I'll get right back. Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and tighten these up. See how that doesn't stick out very far? This needs to be straightened out. Yeah, don't try to straighten it out with attached to the plastic. It could break the plastic. What I did was held it with vice grips right here. And then with these channel locks, just pulled it down. So it should be good. I'm going to go ahead and lube up some of this rusty areas here, and we're going to close the gate and see how well it opens. Alright, works like it's supposed to. Can't ask for anything more than that. So that's it for the replacement handle lock on the tailgate Toyota pickup truck. Thanks for watching the video. Till next time, have a nice day. Take care.